Should I use a dealership line of credit to buy new trucks, or should I go to Facebook Marketplace to buy used vehicles? Okay, so the problem with used vehicles right now is that they are so expensive compared to what they used to be. And if I take a truck that, like in the past, I would have bought for $5,000, that same truck is now $15,000. And so the discount of used is significantly lower since COVID. And I thought it was going to correct a lot, like go back to normal, but it really hasn't. And if you start thinking about if you're going to have a truck for 10 plus years, if you're going to be in business for 10 plus years, it probably makes sense to actually go new. So I've said this a couple times on the podcast. The reason I don't talk about this a ton is because people hear me say that and then they get started and they buy a new truck, and the vast majority of them won't last 10 years. They'll last 2 or 3 because the churn rate in this industry is brutal because low barrier to entry. So the reason I still talk about paying, like I don't want people to get in debt and ruin the next 10 years of their life in bankruptcy because they went and bought a bunch of trucks, went into debt, got a line of credit, got a 4 or 5 year term loan on a piece of equipment that now is underwater in 2 or 3 years when they go out of business. But if you're going to be in business for 10 years, it's likely from a cost per mile and the reduction of just stress, getting new actually makes a lot of sense. I like buying trucks that are 1 to 2 years old and that have 10 to 15,000 miles. That's my sweet spot. There's been a good depreciation bump, usually 25% decrease in value, but I still have 90% of the lifetime of the vehicle. And I can usually still buy those from dealerships, like CarMax, for example, and then get them sourced relatively easy. So like we do all silver autos at my location, same type of truck, usually 1 or 2 years old, 10 to 15,000 miles. I'm usually getting them between $27,000 and $31,000. They're nothing fancy, but that's what I do. Not saying that's what you should do, because when I first started, everything was used. Everything was very cheap because I just needed to focus on getting more customers and spending that money on marketing. I didn't have the credit to be able to go get loans. And so, because I was 18 years old. So work with what you got. But if you're going to be in business for 10 plus years, if you've been in business for a long time, if you have a lot of profit, like from a Section 179 tax perspective, it might make sense to go get new and be able to actually capitalize on those savings from a tax perspective.